Ready to unlock a whole new level of personalized AI art by using your own pictures in Midjourney? First things first, you'll need to jump into your Discord server. Make sure it is the same one where you usually interact with Midjourney. Now, in any channel where the Midjourney bot is active, upload the image you want to use as a prompt. Simply drag and drop, or use the plus icon to select it from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, right-click on it and select Copy Image Address. This gives you the direct link Midjourney needs to access your photo. Type Imagine in the message bar. Paste the image address you just copied right after the command, then add any descriptive words or phrases you want Midjourney to use to transform the image. Separate the image address and the text with a space. Hit enter and watch Midjourney work its magic. It will generate several variations based on your uploaded image and the prompts you provided. From here, you can upscale your favorite variations and continue experimenting with different prompts to achieve your desired artistic style. And that's it. Now you can create truly unique and personalized AI artwork with Midjourney. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI art tutorials. Happy creating!